Good morning students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today our topic, Entrepreneurial Development, various classifications. First of all, what do you mean by entrepreneur? Any business unit which is owned and controlled by an individual, he is known as entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, he invests his own savings, otherwise borrowed money from the friends and relatives. He need not to share his profit or losses to anybody else because he is his own boss. Then move on to types of entrepreneur. According to that type of business, entrepreneur classified into 4 categories, namely business entrepreneur, trading entrepreneurs, corporate entrepreneurs, agricultural entrepreneurs. First one, business entrepreneurs. A person who start business unit after developing ideas for new product or service. He is also known as sole entrepreneur. He is the one who conceives an idea for a new product or service and establishes a business enterprise to translate his idea into reality. He may establish small or large enterprise to commercially exploit his or her idea. Next one, trading entrepreneur. Trading entrepreneur is a person who undertakes buying and selling of goods but not engage in manufacturing. They are not manufacturing entrepreneur. They only buy and sell goods. Trading entrepreneur, those who restrict themselves to buying and selling finished goods. They may be engaged in domestic and international trade. They get their income by way of commission and marketing. Next one, corporate entrepreneur. A corporate entrepreneur who establish and manage corporate form of organization which have separate legal existence. This entrepreneur also known as corporate entrepreneur, also known as promoter. Here he takes initiative necessary to start an entity under corporate format. Corporate entities are registered under the Companies Act or under the Trust Act. And last one, agricultural entrepreneurs. Agricultural entrepreneur is a person who undertakes activities like raising and marketing of crops, fertilizers and other allied activities. Agricultural entrepreneur are those entrepreneurs who raise farm products and market them. They use the various inputs like labor, fertilizer, water technology, etc. Their product like meat, fish, honey, skin, agricultural implements, flour, silk, fruits, prawn, etc. These entrepreneurs are called agricultural entrepreneur. Then go for a classification on the basis of stages of development. It will be classified into 3 categories, namely first generation entrepreneur, second generation entrepreneur, classical entrepreneur. First one, first generation entrepreneur. In this case, first generation entrepreneur who do not possess any entrepreneurial background, they start industry by their own innovative skills. The first generation entrepreneur innovates a product or service by technical expertise possessed by him. These entrepreneurs do not have any family background or prior exposure to the venture initiated by them. They are self-made entrepreneurs. Next one, second generation entrepreneur. In this case, who inherit the family business and pass to next generation. The second generation entrepreneur, also known as modern entrepreneur, is one who keenly observe the dynamics of the market with eagle eye and identify the unfilled gaps, if any, in product or service marketed. He takes initiative in starting the venture to cater to the unmet needs of the market. And third one, classical entrepreneurs. Classical entrepreneur who aims to maximize his economic returns at a level consistent with the survival of the unit with or without an element of growth. Classical entrepreneur, also called lifetimer, they engage in business as a matter of routine. Their prior exposure to business environment impels them to commence venture of their own. For instance, where son of provision merchant start his own provision shops, the former is called classical entrepreneurs. Next one, on the basis of motivation. First one, pure entrepreneur. A pure entrepreneur is a person who are basically motivated to become entrepreneurs for their personal satisfaction, ego, etc. Their egos do not permit them to work for somebody else. They nurture desire of starting a particular venture and earning high profits therefrom and thus attaining a social status. For example, Dhirubhai Ambani, TV Sundaram Iyengar, Infosys Narayana Murthy, and so on. Next one, induced entrepreneur. Induced entrepreneur is a person who are induced to take up entrepreneurial role by the assistance and the policy of government, including incentives, subsidies, etc. Government provides a great deal of support in the form of loans, subsidies, nominal rate of interest, tax breaks, tax holidays, training, import of technology from abroad, and land at subsidies, price, etc. Impel the potential entrepreneurs to start the venture. This entrepreneur use government subsidies. Next, classification on the basis of technology. It classified into three categories, namely technical entrepreneur, non-technical entrepreneurs, professional entrepreneurs. First one, technical entrepreneurs, who are task oriented and craftsman type. They prefer doing to thinking. They like welder, fitter, turner, carpenter, repairer, photographer, and so on. They turn out product or services of high quality, start a business, a simple method. Next one, non-technical entrepreneur. Non-technical entrepreneur is a person who are not concerned with technical side, but rather with marketing and promotion. They are expertise to distribute the products produced by technical entrepreneurs effectively to channel members and end consumer. And third one, professional entrepreneurs. Professional entrepreneur who start a business unit but later sell the running business and start a new unit. Professional entrepreneur is a person having a rich expertise in starting a business but lack interest in continuing the business. He simply sell out the venture started by him to someone else after it's successfully take off. Next, classification on the basis of capital ownership. Three categories, namely private entrepreneurs, state entrepreneurs, joint entrepreneurs. First one, private entrepreneur. Individual or group set up an enterprise, arrange finance, share risk, etc. They are collectively at their own risk after mobilizing various resources in order to earn profit are called private entrepreneurship. Next one, state entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs trading or industrial venture undertaken by the state or the government itself. The trading entrepreneur may be in the format of company, corporation, departments, board. These denotes state entrepreneurship. And third one, joint entrepreneur. The combination of private and government entrepreneur is known as joint entrepreneur. Joint entrepreneur started and owned by both private individuals and the government. And the last one, other classification of entrepreneurs according to gender and age: man entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs, old entrepreneurs, middle-aged entrepreneurs. These are the entrepreneurs are under these categories: gender and age. And last one, according to area, it is classified into two categories: urban entrepreneurs, rural entrepreneur. It is the most important one. Urban entrepreneur is who commences his entrepreneurial activity in urban areas like state capital, district headquarters, towns, municipalities, etc. They may have be industrial entrepreneur or corporate entrepreneur or retail entrepreneurs. Next one, rural entrepreneur. These are the people who start venture in rural locations. They are provided a lot of economic and fiscal incentives to start their venture in rural and semi-urban areas. Agricultural and trading entrepreneurs prefer to set up their venture in rural areas. So students, I hope you understand all the classifications. Thank you.